Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zap application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open, or rather we need to open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now find the profile icon and tap on it. On the profile page you should see the list of my devices, and on it there should be your Amazfit GTR 2E. Tap on it to select it. Here find the watch faces option, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll through the watch face store and find the category called custom background. Tap on find more, and here we have 4 styles, or rather 5 styles. 3 is missing somewhere, but basically you have different styles of custom background. We have style 1, style 2, 4, 5 and 3 is missing somewhere. Select one of those. Basically the difference between them is the position of the clock, as you can see. So select the preferred position of the clock, and then you can scroll down right here, tap on the plus button, and you have 2 options: take photo and photos. Take photo, if you select this option, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture with your phone and use it as a watch face. And photos opens the basically photos application, and you can browse the pictures on your phone, find the one you like, and then select it. I'm gonna use the photos option, select the albums, downloads, and find the picture, for example this one. And now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face, so we need to select the part of it, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right like this. So select the part of the picture you like, then tap on select, and you will see the preview of your watch face. And if you decide it's good enough, you can tap on sync, and it's gonna start syncing. And after it's done, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And of course, after you're done setting up your watch face, you can close the Zap application, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.